God damn it. As soon as I start it, you drop it. Alright, Adrian and Nelson. Take flight.
Hell yeah.
Wait, I have an idea. Add some wheels to this thing. No, I fell! Hold. I'm gonna get my shitty plane out. Let me load my shitty plane. I'll just jump in there. Right. Alright, where are you at? Where are you at? Where you at? I'm too fast. Oh, here you are. I'm dropping in. No. There goes the plane. Add an extra seat. So here's the entrance to the blender. I'm gonna build this thing from the... Well, actually Nelson has to build it. It's in his territory.
Dude, like, get inside.
I'm inside. Wait, you get in the blender.
No, I have to drive it.
You have the driver, good point. Alright.
I need to put suspension and I have to put the wheels on.
Put the wheels on. Driving around the blender. Oh god. Oh god.
Corona time.
Corona time. I got it. There you go. That worked.
Suspension.
There we go. We are ready. I'm just waiting for him to add the wheels. Those are no wheels. I don't mean a bouncing blender.
Huh? I'm gonna add the wheels. They have to be attached from the side.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
I put the suspension there, dude.
Alright, let's get in. Alright, get ready.
Wait. Okay, get in.
Alright. 3.
Wait. Let me put in the wall.
Oh god, they're gonna roll me off. Alright guys, this is 100% safe. You can do this at home.
Throw your friends in a blender. Yes, sir.
100% safe. Alright, ready? 3. Go.
Wait. Let me put the car seat at the front.
Let me out. Let me out here. Where's the exit? You took off the lid, you piece of shit. I wonder what happens if you put a vehicle in here.
Let's go, man.
Alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait,
I'm on top of the blender. I'm inside. Oh god.
Ragdoll, let's go, boy.
Ooh, ragdoll. Oh shit. Do. There's a plane coming after us. What is this monstrosity we made?
Night of the living blender.
I put on my parachute. For sake. It's so hard to stay in the blender. We're getting shot at. Dr. Bright, why are you doing this, mate? You're shooting the blender. I'm out of the blender. Oh, I can't. Oh god, now I'm stuck on the ground. Separate plane. Alright. Nelson, can we add any self-defense weapons on this thing? Just in case
Sure.
that twat comes. Just in case that twat comes again.
Sure.
This thing can go airborne, right?
No. You want it to be?
Yeah, why not? A flying blender, that'll be fun.
Okay. Let me just put on the PvP weapon.
Weaponized Blender 9000. This is the new blender that you would want for your home. Alright, now add the rockets in the middle. Add them rockets.
No, I'm not gonna add rockets. I'm just gonna give it turrets.
Alright. Corona.
Corona.
You too young to drink Corona. What the... Alright. We gonna go in this thing or not? Can I go in the top? Well, I'm going to get my plane and jump on the top. And jump. Ooh! Fuck. There goes my plane. It's going after him. You think, wait, that's not my plane, is it?
I don't know.
That's not my plane, is it?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. I didn't design it like that. Wait, if I do this and then plane disappears, that was my plane! Alright, dogfight boys. Fuck, I can't believe I screwed that up. How? What's happening to my plane? Alrighty, let's see how the blender is going. I thought you weren't gonna put rockets.
I'm gonna use jets. I'm gonna use jet thing.
I'm gonna use jets. Don't you put that? Don't you put the control thing?
I will.
Alright then. So we gotta make sure that the blue and yellow circle lines up, or sphere. Make sure that lines up perfectly. This man built a submarine, and it's awesome. It's the same person. Alright, you ready?
Wait.
Okie dokie. I'm gonna make something stupid. Alright, let's... I forgot about my... Alright, hold on. I'm going to make my car. Don't ask why. Don't ask how I built this. Because I am very bad at this game. You just started. Don't... So please don't bully us too hard.
Hey, I'm finished.
You finished? Alright, I'm gonna save this later then. Let's do this.
I'm a BRB right now.
Oh, god damn it. Alright. There's a jet here. And the wheels, then doing. Alright. Now I gotta add the main seat. Let's bring it down. And there we go. Alright, now works semi like a charm, but it still works. Well, I don't know what to do for this part of the video, but I am going to say I'm very sorry for not uploading for a week. It's been a very slow day for me for making videos, mostly because...
Hello, I'm back.
Oh, okay, never mind then. Let's do this.
In the entrance.
Alright, where's the entrance?
Here.
Alright, Rain. Let's do this.
Wait.
Hold up. Okay, wait. Need ragdoll. What the hell? There we go, let's do this. I'm excited. Oh no, wait. Oh no.
Shit, I forgot to put the propellers.
You forgot to put propeller.
Oh, it's just a freaking plane.
Oh
anyway.
god, you forgot to seal it off. Oh god, no.
Seal it off, you just glitched out.
I glitched out. Oh no, this is bad. Oh no. Testing this weapon did not go well. Oh no, it's still in development, but Jesus Christ. I'm a ballet dancer. What the fuck is that? It's even worse. Alright, let's see who wins. Where this monstrosity is.
Oh,
shit! Oh god, this is terrible weapons testing. This is terrible. Oh god.
Ah! Holy shit!
What the fuck just happened? Well, I guess we'll end the video there. Alright, I'm back.